Good morning, everyone. It is Emily, and I am back with another video. So, today's video is going to be what I did with my federal income tax return. So, let's go right ahead and get into the video, you guys. I'm going to welcome all my newbies to my channel, give y'all a brief introduction. My name is Emily. This is a low income channel. And I do a low income budgeting as well as low income cash stuffing and sinking fund stuffing. So if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, go ahead and kick your feet up and enjoy the video. Okay, so another brief introduction is that I am a custodian here for my local school district here in the upstate of South Carolina. And I am a single mom to a 10-year-old girl. All right, so this is what I did with my income taxes. My taxes was a little bit low this year because we already received some of our child tax credit. So my amount that I received was $3,092. And here is a list of things that I did with my taxes. So I hope you guys can see. It's kind of a weird angle here. But the first thing that I did was I put $200 back into my emergency fund because I had to spend about $200 of it. So I currently now have $1,025 now in my emergency fund. So I put $200 into it to get it back up to the 1,000. Okay. Then I set aside $200 for vacations. I doubt that we will be going anywhere this year, so I basically will be saving and funding for next year's vacation. Okay. House savings. I set aside the biggest amount out of my whole entire income tax return. That was $500. So, for the new people here, I am saving for a house. So, top priority right now is to save for the house. So, I did take $500 out of my taxes and put it into my bank account, a separate bank account from my main bank account. And hopefully in the future, I'll be disclosing how much I have in my home savings account. But as of right now, I'm not going to disclose the amount. Okay. Medical received $50. So I put $50 into my medical sinking fund. Car savings received $400. So for anybody that does not watch my videos or this is your first time tuning in, I am saving for a new car because I have a 2007 Kia Sportage that now has 205,000 miles on it. So I do know that in the future I will need a new used car. So I set aside $400 of my taxes towards that. Okay. Car maintenance. I needed to get some stuff done to my car. So I put $445 aside for car maintenance. Okay. And that was $445, but I do need to save about another $300 towards the rest of the stuff that I need to get done to my car. So I am still saving for car maintenance. Summer activities. I put $250 in this account. And I do not know if I'm going to need this year because she may not be attending summer camp this year. She may be just going to go stay with her grandparents. So my summer account received $250. Okay, I'm going to move y'all up a little bit. The next thing was back to school received $30, which that account gets funded throughout the year, even though we're already in back to school. The $30 was to pay for the remainder of her field trip, I believe. So back to school received $30. Okay, Christmas received $50 for Christmas. Birthday received $50. That's for any type of birthdays that I have throughout the year. This says 1 month ahead, but I actually just put it in as an account buffer. So I will start a month ahead account soon, but I just want to be able to keep at least a $200 buffer in my account for things that are unaccounted for, plus my phones that always come out in between checks. So I did put $100 in my account for that. So disregard that it says a month ahead. It's actually just an account buffer, okay? I needed some bras, so I put $125 in my account for bras. And this is something that I have to usually save for, y'all, because my bras are very expensive because I have the girls. They're huge. Just being honest with y'all. So bras typically run me they're like 75 a pop. So I try to wait till they go on sale with Lane Bryant and try to catch the sale so I can get a little bit more for my money. So I put $125 aside for that. So I usually try to at least catch the $35 sale if I can't do the buy two get two free sale. That's annually. So bras got $125. Miscellaneous is stuff that's unbudgeted for. So I have a miscellaneous envelope and that received $100. Debt payment received $50. I am in the process of paying off debt, you guys. So as I save for a house, I'm also paying off debt, you guys. So debt payment received $50. Spring break. Spring break is actually not this week, but next week. And I do know that anytime I have a break from work, I end up spending a little bit more money. So I set aside $50 for spring break. Hopefully I can set aside at least $25 more from my paycheck this week to give myself $75 extra on spring break, okay? Let's see, we're getting down to the bottom. So I'm going to slide this stuff back and try to slide this up so you can see. Okay, so spring break got us 50. Now, 52-week challenge, which is this box that you see right here. I'm doing a 52-week challenge. It received $50. Okay, my household envelope, which is things that I need for my house, like paper towels, paper cups, and any kind of household items. It received $40. Personal, I bought some extra personal things, and that received $20. That's like for our personal hygiene items. Extra food received $50. So I did buy about $50 extra food to put in my deep freezer. So extra food received $50. My daughter, her name is Ashton. For Ashton clothes, she received $100. Let me slide this up a little bit more. So Ashton clothes received $100 in her account. Credit card, I did put $177 on one of my credit cards. I paid $177 off on one of my cards. I didn't pay the entire card off, but I did put $177 on that card, okay? And I needed a paper shredder because I accumulate a lot of paper with my personal information on it, and I just have piles and piles of paper around the house. So I decided to purchase a paper shredder, and that was $37. And excuse me, here I go burping on camera again. I have to edit that. Paper shredder, it was $37. I do believe that I had about maybe like $18, $19 left out of this, and not sure what I used that a little bit amount for. So I do try to go down to a zero base budget, but I do believe there is about $19 that's unaccounted for in this federal income tax budget here. So that's that, y'all. So I think I did fairly well with my taxes. Like I said, it's usually about $2,000 more. I usually get about $2,000 more, but this year it's a little bit less because we did get some of our child tax credit in advance. So, but I do think I did budget my taxes out fairly well. I didn't didn't buy anything extra besides the paper shredder. That was something that was needed. I didn't blow the money, and I'm very proud of myself for actually sitting down and allocating every dollar to a specific spot. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this up. So yeah, I just wrote everything down and how much I put in each category. This video is a little bit late, y'all, because I received those taxes about 3 weeks ago. So it's already been allocated out. So so like I said, this video is a little bit late, but I'm still gonna put it up. I'm still filming it, and I'm still gonna put it up for you guys. So I am doing the 50 envelope challenge, and actually I'm doing the 52-week envelope challenge. So it's actually gonna be more, because on the card here, which I purchased these challenges from Budgetz here on YouTube. She also has a Etsy shop on Etsy, and it's Budgetz. And she actually I purchased the printout option where she printed these out for me. And so this particular challenge says that I have $1,275 at the end of this challenge. I will probably have a little bit more than that, because some of these envelopes I am overstuffing. If I don't have the exact amount, I will round up and overstuff. So I'm excited to see exactly how much I will have at the end. And like I said, I'm doing, instead of 50 envelopes, I'm doing 52 envelopes, okay? So this is what I have so far. I've got 1 through 10 filled in already. I've already stuffed those. Then I have 14 through 17 filled in. I've already stuffed those. 19 and 20. Then I filled in, on this row, I've stuffed number 30. And then on this row, I stuffed number 33. So looking at my box, that's how much of the box that I have stuffed on this end. These are the ones that I have stuffed. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And the box came, for the newbies, the box came from, I purchased the actual plastic box from Walmart. I purchased the cardstock from Walmart. And the little numbers on the envelopes I purchased from Dollar General for $1. And then I put just packing tape on here. So really quick and easy method of making the envelopes. And I think I made this for less than $12. Okay, so in the back here, I have the ones that I've already stuffed. And then the front here are the ones that are empty, that I haven't stuffed yet. So that's that. And like I said, I just shared with you guys the ones that I have already filled in. So that's what that's looking like. I think I'm doing a pretty good job so far. I won't be able to fill in and save as much, because I have 2 new bills this month. I have to pay my car taxes this month. And then I'm going to start paying student loans this month. So that's about $25 that I would normally put in here towards my student loans. I mean, towards my envelope challenge, but it will be going towards my student loans. So with that being said, I probably will only be filling at least 1 envelope instead of 2. I try to do 2 per paycheck, but this time I'm just going to do 1, and then the other amount will go towards those 2 new bills that I'm adding to my monthly budget. Okay, so that's just that on that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Right behind this video, you guys, I will be actually doing the cash stuffing for my taxes. Now, some of I've already pre-recorded that video because, like I said, I received the money 3 weeks ago. In the video I forgot to stuff the prop money. I did stuff real money, but there was a few that I put the money in my Capital One 360 savings accounts, because it was a large amount. So I will come back in another video and actually stuff the prop money in those envelopes. But for the most part, I do stuff real cash. But when I do get a large amount of cash in the envelopes, I will take the amount to the bank. And I do think that it's safer to keep the money in the bank instead of keeping a large amount in my home. So with that being said, I will do a updated sinking funds video, and I will add the prop money to those envelopes so that you guys can see what I truly have in those envelopes and accounts. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to let me know what you guys did with your tax money. I really do enjoy those videos as well. I like to see what people do with their income tax. And I did receive a state income tax. That video is already up, so head on over and check out that video. It's under what I did with my state income tax. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do put out videos about every 2 weeks, and I would love to have you join the fam. Thank you guys. Hope y'all have a wonderful week. Take care.